Okay, Volkswagen Tiguan, VW Tiguan, Tyre Pressure System or Tyre Pressure Monitoring System reset. If you have this type of screen, so it doesn't have the dials and the buttons on the side, this one, once you set the tyre pressures, just drive it down the road and it will automatically reset. So all the other screens that you'll see on YouTube, they have resets you can go in and do. This one will reset itself. So if you have this type of screen in your VW Tiguan, it's touch screen only, no dials. Just drive it and it will register the new pressures.
Okay, I hope that has helped you out today. Don't forget to click the like button and also click the subscribe while you're there. We've got a bunch of diagnostic solutions and tips and tricks for professional mechanics like ourselves and also for the serious DIYers at home. So click that subscribe and the bell so you get notified, and we will see you in the next video.